From the rich, fertile soils where nature cultivates warmth, to the gleaming, intricate machinery of a modern American factory, a pungent transformation is about to unfold. We embark on a sensory journey that begins with a root celebrated for its fiery essence, a botanical marvel whose potent secrets are now meticulously prepared by cutting-edge technology. This is the profound story of ginger, from its gnarled rhizomes to the aromatic spice powder that ignites flavors and soothes ailments across countless kitchens and remedies, a testament to botanical science, precision engineering, and the relentless pursuit of purity. The very air around us seems to hum with the promise of its aromatic transformation, a silent prelude to the intricate dance of nature's bounty meeting human ingenuity, a process refined over centuries and perfected by modern innovation. Our expedition begins not in a bustling industrial park, but under the vast, open skies of a sprawling ginger farm, often found in the warmer, humid regions of states like Hawaii, Florida, or even parts of California, where the climate is ideal for its growth. Here, rows upon rows of vibrant green ginger plants, with their tall, reedy stalks and broad leaves, stretch to the horizon. Beneath the soil, the true treasure lies hidden. The gnarled, irregular rhizomes, the ginger roots themselves, slowly developing their complex flavor profile. The landscape is a breathtaking tapestry of green under a clear blue sky, often punctuated by the distant silhouette of tropical vegetation or rolling hills. The air is warm and humid, carrying the unmistakable, sharp, and invigorating aroma of fresh ginger, a fragrance that has been valued for its culinary and medicinal properties for millennia, dating back to ancient Asian and Indian civilizations. Each plant, specifically Zingiber officinale, is a miniature chemical factory, storing precious volatile oils, rich in compounds like gingerol, shogol, and zingerone, within its rhizomes. These compounds are the natural treasure cultivated for its myriad therapeutic and culinary benefits. The scale of this operation is immense, a carefully managed ecosystem where every plant is nurtured to maturity over several months, typically 8 to 10 months from planting, before its roots are ready for harvest. The cultivation process itself is a science, involving precise soil management, often favoring rich, well-drained, loamy soils with a slightly acidic pH, and sustainable irrigation techniques, such as drip irrigation, to ensure the health and vigor of the plants while conserving water. Farmers and botanists work in harmony with the environment, understanding the delicate balance required for organic agriculture, often avoiding synthetic pesticides or fertilizers to maintain the purity of the final product, a crucial factor for a consumable item like spice. Harvesters, often utilizing specialized machinery designed to gently lift the soil and expose the rhizomes, or even manual labor for delicate harvests, move with practiced efficiency across the plantations. These machines, sometimes resembling modified potato diggers, ensure a rapid and uniform collection, crucial for preserving the peak quality of the ginger. The sound of the machinery, a low, rhythmic hum, blends with the rustle of soil and the gentle thud of ginger roots being unearthed. As the ginger roots are gathered, their sheer volume and pungent fragrance become apparent, forming impressive mounds that are quickly loaded onto specialized transport vehicles. These custom-designed trailers are often open-sided or well-ventilated, sometimes even equipped with passive cooling systems to allow for optimal air circulation, preventing heat buildup and moisture accumulation that could degrade the delicate aromatic compounds and lead to spoilage. The journey from field to factory is swift, a race against time to preserve the freshness and potency of this natural treasure, often completed within hours of harvesting to minimize oxidation and maintain peak quality. The logistics involved in moving such a large volume of perishable, aromatic material efficiently are a marvel in themselves, a testament to careful planning, advanced scheduling, and precise execution, ensuring the raw material arrives at its destination in optimal condition, ready for the next stage of its aromatic journey. Upon arrival at the factory, a symphony of industrial activity begins. Yet here, the dominant note is the sharp, invigorating scent of fresh ginger, a fragrance that immediately stimulates the senses. The air inside is often cool and dry in some sections, particularly in the drying areas, and warm and clean in others. carrying a pervasive, stimulating aroma that hints at the transformation underway. The freshly harvested ginger roots, still covered in soil and vibrant, are immediately prepared for cleaning. They are first subjected to a rigorous washing process in large, automated washing stations. Powerful jets of purified water, often combined with gentle brushes or tumbling mechanisms, meticulously remove any clinging soil, debris, and surface microorganisms. The sound here is a continuous rush of water and the gentle clatter of roots against the washing drums. This initial cleaning is paramount, setting the stage for the pristine environment required for food-grade spice production. Every surface in this section of the factory is designed for easy sanitation, with gleaming stainless steel and food-grade polymer materials under bright, industrial lights, reflecting the unwavering commitment to hygiene and purity. After washing, the ginger roots are often conveyed to a peeling station. While some ginger powder retains its skin, for premium quality, the outer skin is gently removed. This can be done mechanically using abrasive rollers that lightly abrade the surface, or sometimes manually for specific batches, ensuring minimal loss of the valuable inner flesh. The peeled ginger then undergoes a final rinse to remove any remaining skin particles. Once cleaned and, if necessary, peeled, the ginger roots are conveyed to the next critical stage, slicing and drying. Large, automated slicing machines, equipped with precision blades, cut the ginger rhizomes into uniform, thin slices. The thickness of these slices is crucial for efficient and even drying. Too thick, and drying will be prolonged and uneven. Too thin, and the ginger can become brittle and lose its integrity. The sound here is a rhythmic whirring of blades and the soft, crisp sound of ginger being sliced. These slices are then spread thinly and evenly on large conveyor belts, often made of food-grade mesh, or placed in specialized drying chambers. These chambers use carefully controlled airflow and temperature, typically low heat, around 60 degrees Celsius, and gentle air circulation, to slowly and gently remove moisture from the ginger slices. The sound here is a low, steady hum of powerful fans, and the gentle, almost ethereal rustle of thousands of drying ginger pieces. The drying process is critical. Too fast, and the ginger can become brittle and lose its volatile oils, diminishing flavor and potency. Too slow, and moisture can accumulate, leading to microbial growth, mold, and spoilage. Skilled technicians, often with years of experience, monitor moisture levels continuously using advanced sensors, such as infrared moisture analyzers, ensuring the perfect balance is achieved, typically reducing moisture content to below 8 to 10%. This precise control is vital for the long-term stability and quality of the spice. Once dried to the optimal moisture content, the ginger slices, now brittle and intensely aromatic, are conveyed to the next critical stage, grinding. This is where the dried ginger is transformed into a fine powder. Large, industrial-grade grinders, often hammer mills or pin mills, are used for this process. The dried ginger slices are fed into the mill, where rapidly rotating hammers or pins pulverize them into a fine, consistent powder. The grinding process generates heat, which must be carefully managed to prevent the degradation of the volatile oils responsible for ginger's flavor and aroma. Some advanced mills incorporate cooling systems, such as chilled air or water jackets, to maintain optimal temperatures during grinding. The sound here is a powerful, continuous roar of machinery, a testament to the energy required to break down the fibrous ginger. After grinding, the ginger powder passes through a series of fine sieves or screens. This sifting process ensures a uniform particle size, removing any coarser pieces and guaranteeing a smooth, consistent texture for the final spice powder. The fineness of the grind is crucial for its application in cooking and baking. Any coarser material is often returned for regrinding, ensuring zero waste. The precision of these machines is breathtaking, a testament to modern engineering, capable of processing thousands of pounds of dried ginger into powder per hour, with minimal human intervention, ensuring maximum yield of high-quality spice. The finely ground ginger powder, now a uniform, intensely fragrant material, is then transferred to massive, temperature-controlled storage silos or bins, often made of food-grade stainless steel. designed to be airtight and light-proof. Here, it awaits the final blending and packaging stages, kept in optimal conditions, typically cool and dry, to preserve its freshness, aroma, and flavor. Gentle agitation or aeration systems may be used to prevent compaction and maintain quality, ensuring the powder remains free-flowing. This is where the raw ginger powder is prepared for its transformation into a consumer-ready product. Further filtration systems, employing fine screens or air classifiers, meticulously remove any remaining microscopic dust or unwanted particulates, ensuring a clean and pure product that meets the highest standards for consumption. The material passes through these systems under precise airflow, a delicate dance between force and finesse, guaranteeing an unparalleled level of purity. The sound here is a low, continuous hum of air handlers and the gentle rustle of dry powder. Quality control checks are constant and rigorous, with samples drawn at every stage and rushed to the on-site laboratory. Technicians, clad in sterile lab coats, hairnets, and sometimes even face masks and gloves, perform a battery of tests, analyzing everything from moisture content, particle size distribution, and microbial counts, checking for bacteria, yeast, and mold, to the concentration of key volatile compounds like gingerol and shogol. These tests ensure that every batch meets the stringent industry standards for food safety and quality, such as those set by the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, and a factory's own exacting specifications, which often exceed regulatory requirements. Any deviation, no matter how small, triggers an immediate investigation and corrective action, potentially leading to the quarantine or rejection of an entire batch, underscoring the unwavering commitment to product safety and efficacy. The aroma in the lab, though clinical, carries a concentrated burst of ginger, a testament to the material's potency and purity. As the purified and ground ginger powder moves through the final stages of processing, it is often prepared for blending. While pure ginger powder is widely popular, some factories create custom spice blends, incorporating other spices like turmeric, cinnamon, or black pepper to create unique flavor profiles for specific culinary applications or health products. Each ingredient is precisely measured by automated dosing systems, often controlled by sophisticated computer programs and load cells for extreme accuracy, and mixed in vast, gleaming blenders. These blenders are not just simple agitators, they are often ribbon blenders, paddle blenders, or conical blenders designed to create a perfectly homogeneous blend without damaging the delicate spice particles. The mixing process is a marvel of engineering, ensuring consistent flavor and aroma throughout the final product, guaranteeing that every package has the exact same composition and experience. The air in this section carries a complex, pungent, and pleasant aroma of the various ingredients being combined, a symphony of natural fragrances that tantalizes the senses. From these blending tanks, the finished spice powder or blend is then pumped via gentle conveyor systems or pneumatic transport to the packaging lines, a mesmerizing array of automated machinery. Rolls of specialized packaging film, often multi-layered to provide excellent barrier properties against moisture, oxygen, and light, are fed into high-speed form-fill-seal machines. These machines perform a series of intricate operations with astonishing speed. They precisely form the pouch or bag, accurately fill it with the exact amount of ginger powder, often measured by weight for extreme accuracy, and then seal it using heat or ultrasonic technology. For jars or bottles, automated filling lines dispense the powder into pre-formed containers. The filling is rapid, yet incredibly precise, often using volumetric or gravimetric fillers with real-time feedback to ensure consistent weight in every package, crucial for a consistent culinary experience. The rhythmic whirring of gears, the soft rustle of packaging film, and the gentle thud of filled packages create a steady, almost hypnotic rhythm, a testament to mechanical harmony and efficiency. Some advanced machines can produce thousands of packages per minute, a truly astonishing rate of production that meets global demand. Immediately after forming and filling, the individual packages continue their journey along the conveyor, often passing through a final, rigorous quality check. High-speed optical scanners, equipped with advanced vision systems, or even human inspectors on brightly lit belts, where trained personnel meticulously look for any anomalies, ensure that each package is perfectly formed, sealed, and filled, free from defects. Any package that doesn't meet the aesthetic or functional standards is automatically diverted from the main line for further review, potential rework, or recycling, ensuring only perfect products reach the market. The flawless packages are then grouped and packed into larger cartons or boxes by robotic arms, which stack them neatly and precisely. These cartons are often designed to protect the spice powder from moisture, light, and air, using foil linings or airtight seals, preserving their freshness and delicate aroma for extended periods. The packaging process is highly automated, with machines folding cardboard, inserting individual packages in precise counts, sealing boxes with adhesive or interlocking tabs, and applying outer wraps or shrink film for tamper evidence and protection. Barcodes, ingredient lists, usage instructions, batch numbers, and expiration dates are printed with crisp clarity on the packaging, ready for the consumer. The packaging materials themselves are often made from sustainable, recyclable, or recycled materials, reflecting the company's environmental ethos and commitment to eco-friendly practices throughout the entire supply chain. The finished boxes of ginger powder are then grouped onto larger pallets, shrink-wrapped for protection during transit, often with durable stretch film, ready for their journey to distribution centers and ultimately to store shelves around the globe. The entire packaging area is a ballet of automation, with machines working in perfect harmony, a testament to the efficiency of modern logistics and supply chain management, ensuring that the product reaches consumers safely, efficiently, and in pristine condition. The journey of a robust ginger root, from its earthy origins to a potent spice powder, is a profound testament to the power of nature harnessed by human ingenuity. It's a process where ancient wisdom meets modern technology, where meticulous care at every stage ensures purity and potency. From the careful cultivation in the fields, through the precise cleaning, slicing, and drying, to the sterile grinding, blending, and automated packaging, every step is a critical link in a chain of quality and innovation. Each package represents not just a product, but a carefully crafted promise of flavor and well-being, a fiery essence derived from the earth and delivered through the marvels of modern manufacturing. It's a reminder that even the most common items in our daily lives often conceal an extraordinary story of transformation, precision, and dedication, bringing the invigorating power of nature directly into our hands, a silent marvel of engineering and botanical science. The sheer volume of production, coupled with the unwavering commitment to quality, sustainability, and consumer satisfaction, ensures that this ancient remedy continues to serve humanity in its most refined and accessible form, touching countless lives with its natural benefits and exquisite aroma, adding warmth and zest to a busy world.